there is something that Hansi Flick and Barcelona management have done that Barca fans haven't realized. Or even if you have realized, we are not talking about it. And it has been helping our team. And I have to talk about it. Look, the way they've been able to manage Lamine Yamal, I love it. You remember at the beginning of the season, there was so much noise around the boy. Even if Lamine Yamal comes to training with Nicole, his girlfriend, there is noise. If Lamine Yamal picks his phone and posts on Instagram, there is noise. And it was affecting Lamine Yamal personally, and at the same time, it was affecting the team. Because whether we like it or not, he's a star boy. I mean, he's a one that, attacking wise, apart from Rafinha, he's a one that we look up to. So if he's, hurt, or if he doesn't have, a mental stability, it helps. It doesn't help the team. And look, Hansi Flick, the way he's been able to manage Lamine Yamal, the noise around him, I like it. And I love it. God bless you, Hansi Flick. God bless you. Hansi, yeah. Hansi, yeah. Hansi, yeah. Mama. Hey, you are the best coach in the world currently. And I love you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.